MeCreator 2. Introducing MeCreator 2 3D desktop printer. We took what we learned from MeCreator and completely redesigned from ground up. The MeCreator 2 3D printer embodies a state-of-the-art steel chassis that provides increased stability, durability and durability. It gives the printer a firm and stable support that provides a suitable environment for uninterrupted printing. Its half-open design gives the user a wider perspective to scrutinize the printing process. It comprises of an upgraded GT2560B control board powered by AT-MEGA2560 that allows the MeCreator 2 to achieve high performance. MeCreator 2 adopts LCD2004 controller, on which the detailed printing status are clearly presented on the screen. There is an SD card slot for LCD with an SD card. MeCreator 2 can easily realize standalone printing. This allows you to print without connecting your MeCreator 2 to computer and helps you avoid possible printing interruption problems caused by the breakdown of computer system.